I'm Bob Highfill with Caltrans. I'm on State Route 89, just north of the town of Markleeville in Alpine County. On Wednesday, August 3rd, 2022, huge weather event took place, and it washed down a significant amount of water, debris, and mud onto a culvert that was under construction by Caltrans to repair damage from the Tamarack Fire. What ended up happening is there was so much debris and mud that came down, it washed out the culvert that was already existing. After public input and more consultation with engineers and our construction team, Caltrans has devised a temporary solution to this by installing an 8-foot diameter culvert, which will take much less time to install and much less time for the road to be repaired. If the weather is good and there aren't any other unforeseen circumstances, we should be able to open the road in 2 to 3 weeks as opposed to 5 to 6 weeks. We appreciate the public's input. We appreciate all of the partner agencies in Alpine County and throughout the state in helping us come to this solution, as well as our contractors who are working very hard to make this happen as quickly as possible so we can restore some semblance of normalcy for this community of Markleeville, their residents, tourists, and businesses which have been impacted so much in recent years. Thanks also to Caltrans maintenance teams, which responded immediately after this weather event to clear inlet culverts and do a lot of repair work and get a lot of silt and mud away from culverts and out of the creek bed. So, weather permitting, we're working hard to get this finished. We want to thank everyone for their support. We appreciate your patience and cooperation. For Caltrans, I'm Bob Highfill.